College campuses are always on the move. Whether you're transporting students and visitors or supporting grounds and maintenance crews, managing your fleet is essential for campus operations. Introducing Club Car Connect, the smart solution for campus fleet management. Take fleet tracking to the next level with Club Car Connect, an advanced technology platform designed to give you the tools and insights needed to monitor, control, and optimize your fleet like never before. Enhance your campus's safety with Club Car's patented speed control. Set geofence boundaries to restrict areas and enforce driving speed limits in high traffic areas and interior zones to protect students and employees. Optimize fleet utilization with real-time insights, helping you make data-driven decisions to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Protect your campus and assets with the new RFID technology, designed to work with existing RFID badge cards already in use on campus. The RFID vehicle access function prevents unauthorized vehicle use and reduces the risk of theft or damage. Utilize your university badges to assign employees secure access to designated vehicles and restrict entry to specific areas based on their access level, without the need for additional keys or access cards. Keep maintenance on track with real-time diagnostics, automated alerts, and detailed vehicle usage reports through the Fleet Management Dashboard, reducing downtime and boosting efficiency. Monitor your fleet and keep an eye on your employees with real-time tracking, travel history, and department-specific vehicle settings. Smarter, safer, and more efficient fleet management designed for the needs of today's campuses. Take control of your campus fleet today with Club Car Connect. To learn more, talk with your Club Car sales representative and visit clubcar.com.